Don't throw that extra sourdough starter away. Make sourdough crackers with my secret recipe. Don't! So we want 400 grams of sourdough starter. If it's fluffy like it is now, you'll get fluffier crackers. Now we're gonna add some flour. Different types of flour, diversity is key. So here we have spelt, rye, and wheat. Of course, you could add buckwheat or whatever your heart desires. Olive oil, some salt, and a hefty amount of spices. Today we're going Italian. We want some thyme, oregano. Can't have too much oregano. Some rosemary. And now we just mix it together into a nice tight dough ball. Take this dough ball and let it rest for 30 minutes. Separate it. A little bit of salt. I have this black lava salt for fun.
You're fancy.
Just slice it into shapes of your liking. Alright, we throw them in the oven. I just put them right in. I don't even put a tray. Oh shit, the crackers. Smell them. Cut. They're crunchy.